Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Tuesday. You can see via my wallpaper. Let's get Chainsaw Man up. It should be coming out in about 5 minutes. Where the hell? Ha. Last time we got a bunch of nice art, pretty much. Famine Devil through a building at Chainsaw Man and Asa. I noticed that they haven't been using gendered pronouns for fake Chainsaw Man, so we have no idea. Still have no idea who that is. Could be a chick. What if Kobeni is fake Chainsaw Man? That'd be funny. Though I doubt it. Anything else? Not much. Nothing really happened last chapter. Since nothing happened last chapter, there isn't really much to talk about for the pre-chapter this week. But I'm guessing that since nothing else happened, nothing much happened last chapter, that means a lot of progress of this chapter, huh? That's a good way of thinking about it, right? Just waiting till the chapter releases, I guess. Oh, we're getting close. It can't be less than 10 seconds. There we go. Chapter 1 of 31. Looks like Chainsaw Man is about to be eaten. Name of the chapter is Taste of Crap. Barely escapes getting eaten. Did I say dinners? Did I say diners who don't finish their food must die? But the food isn't supposed to be able to run. Oh, gravity powers. Yeah, I forgot about that. So they just got eaten. How's the taste of humans steeped in fear? And he pukes them out. Falling is surprised. I made that meal with love. How dare you throw it up? Oh, she's losing her cool. Now you die. But she has like a Kamehameha? What the hell? Oh wait, that's something coming down from the sky. And there goes that weird worm devil. Denji and Asa have survived. I sincerely apologize. I failed to feed Asa Mitaka to the diner. Okay, return. And there is famine. And drop goes the head that Falling borrowed. How do you make that devil barf them up? Control. Here we go. I control that devil's brain that the teensy brains, the devil's brain a teensy bit to make humans taste like literal crap. Why are you after Denji and this girl, sis? Nostradamus' prophecy is coming true. The ultimate terror will soon descend on this world. So, Nayuta knows who Famine is? If that happens, the age of the humans will end, ushering in the age of devils. I like the sound of that. Sounds fun. I don't want it. Why not? If the age of devils come, things like pizza and Chinese food will cease to be. What? No more pizza? No way. I know. It's the worst scenario imaginable. At this rate, neither I nor you nor Chainsaw Man will be able to stop the prophecy. But War Devil could be made to win, possibly. What gives? You just tried to kill her. My intention was only to starve War in the devil's belly. I can turn the starved into my pawns. Work with me, Control. With our strengths combined, the age of devils may never arrive. No way. Why not? Because I have school. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Me. Okay, good chapter. Wow. I was not expecting Nayuta and Famine to interact this chapter. It seems like they already met. I wonder if Nayuta has any memories of being the control devil before Makima. Or like probably even during being Makima. And I think this is a big reveal that Famine isn't the big bad. Well, I mean, technically the big bad for part 2, since she wants to control Asa and Yoro. I guess specifically Yoro. The Age of the Devils. I wonder what that means. Damn, a lot of notifications. What does that mean, Age of the Devils? So that means there's an ultimate bad coming later. That's not related to Fami. So I guess the Falling Devil arc is over. Too bad we didn't get much Yoshida. Also, we still don't know who Fake Chainsaw Man is. I think the convenience of Nayuta being here implies she has something to do with that. I mean, there was a point where Makima drank Denji's blood, right? Or Denji drank Makima's blood in part 1 during the control arc. I don't know. Something's going on with the whole Fake Chainsaw Man thing. I wonder if either Asa or Denji can hear all of this chatter. Cool that Nayuta likes her new life. I think that means Denji's keeping his promise to Pochita. Good chapter. Really good chapter. Not the Asa Denji interactions I always ask for, but Nayuta Famine, I'll take that. And we got some good action scenes. Also, goodbye to Falling Devil, everybody's favorite, all of Twitter's favorite new design so far. I mean, even if she comes back, dropping that head means she definitely won't look the same. Oh, that burned, shriveled body, I guess, is falling to. Good chapter and good arc, or mini arc, if you want to call it that. A lot of intrigue. Huh. I have no idea where the story can go from here, though. There's a lot of plot threads now. We got the prophecy. We got Nayuta. We got Asa trying to kill Denji. There's a lot going on right now in the story. And I'm on my toes. I'm ready to see. Cool. All right. I guess that's the end of the chapter. Thanks for watching. Let's keep that pizza around. Let's make sure devils don't take away pizza. Who knows? Maybe there's a pizza devil. They could be wrong. There could be like a pizza devil or a Chinese food devil. Junk food devil. That can be scary. All right. Thanks for watching. See you guys in 2 weeks? 2 weeks. It's been fun. See ya.